Oh wait, this is gonna be a spicy one.
They're not spicy.
I go.
Oh, this is gonna be a spicy one.
No, it's not.
Just go, Bridget.
I just sucked it and it was hot.
Bridget, please, I already started the video.
I have to eat it all in one bite?
Yeah.
Nowhere. Dignity. Long gone. Virginity, fully justifiable to speculate on. My whole life,
That's not spicy or anything.
to find a girl, to fall in love,
Oh.
and our home to meet the folks. Then again, since my folks are a couple of paranoid shoulders
Is
like
it
me,
good spicy though?
and then I finally...
It's burning my mouth! Why would you tell me to eat
That's
that?
what spicy stuff does.
Oh my god, it's burning my stomach and my throat. Are those small ones supposed to be spicy? Yeah, they're really hot. Muy caliente. Muy caliente.
Where are they? That's not one. What about the little one? Like this? Yeah, Spencer's eating it. You're gonna die. What about this one? Is this one hard?
No, it tastes like poop, Mom.
Oh my gosh, he tastes like...
Eat it. Oh! Oh, it exploded on his face.
Oh my god, my stomach's burning.
Ew. That tastes gross.
It's not hot.
Is it gross
Throw
though?
that away.
Oh!
Throw it away, don't just stare at it.